Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change account in Steam. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is the Steam application and I have already installed it. And as you can see, I have logged into my account as well. Now let's simply look at how to change an account. At the top left, you will see the Steam button right here. Click on it. And as such, the very first button that you are gonna see is this Change Account button. Click on it right now. Once you do that, it's gonna ask for your confirmation. Simply hit on Continue. And guys, this is it. Once you click on that button, this thing will open up. From here, as you can see, I have added 2 accounts. In case you have done the same, simply click on either one. Or else if you want to add another account, simply hit on the Add Account button and just follow the prompts. From here, you can simply create a new account or log in. That is it guys. That's how we change account in Steam. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.